Cold Chicken literally translates to mouth-watering chicken. As in, it makes your mouth water just by looking at it. And once you have tasted that Guo Sichuan sauce, that chili oil, black vinegar, and that numbing Sichuan peppercorn cake, you will understand exactly why. Here's what you need. 3 chicken thighs. You can of course use chicken breast, but bone-in chicken thighs has a lot more flavor. Slices of ginger, white parts of some spring onions, Chinese cooking wine. For the garnish, you will need toasted sesame seeds, crushed roasted peanuts. I am roasting my own peanuts, but if you do not want to roast your own peanuts, you can always buy a packet of roasted peanuts from the supermarkets instead. Fresh cilantro, chopped up spring onions, the green parts. Let's start by poaching the chicken. Put the chicken in a pot. Put in enough water to cover about 2 to 3 inches above the chicken. This is important because too little water and the heat will dissipate too quickly during the steeping process. Add in ginger slices, spring onion sections, and some Shaoxing wine. Bring all this to a boil. Then turn the heat down to medium. And let it boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, turn off the heat. Cover and let it steep for another 20 minutes. If you're using boneless chicken breast, you can shorten the steeping time to about 15 minutes. While the chicken is steeping, let's prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, combine soya sauce, black vinegar, sugar, Sichuan peppercorn powder. You can grind your own whole Sichuan peppercorns, or you can buy the powder from the supermarkets. Chili oil, chili crisp, or both. Garlic, ginger. I'm adding a little poaching liquid to thin out the sauce. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Then, set it aside. After 20 minutes, check for doneness by cutting into the center of the chicken. The area around the bone should no longer be pink. If it's undercooked, let it steep for another 10 minutes. Shred the chicken and arrange it onto a plate. This dish can be served cold. Therefore, you can keep the chicken in the fridge for a few hours or overnight, if you can wait that long. Pour the sauce over the chicken. Then, top it with the crushed peanuts, sesame seeds, green onions, and coriander. And there you have it. Szechuan mouth-watering chicken or Cold Chicken. You can prepare this ahead of time. Just keep it in the fridge and it actually gets better as the sauce soaks into the chicken. Savory, tangy, a little heat, and that gentle, numbing tingle from that Sichuan peppercorns. It's truly one of those dishes that keeps you coming back for more. If you enjoyed this video and want more quick and easy Asian recipes, check out the videos on screen right now. I think you'll like them. And I'll see you in my next video.